Hey everyone. If I could go back and give my younger self just 5 money lessons, these would be it. It would have saved me years and thousands of dollars. Lesson number 1, start investing early. Even $10 a week adds up when you start young. Compound interest doesn't care how much you make, just when you start. Number 2, avoid lifestyle inflation. Got a raise? Don't upgrade your car or your clothes. Upgrade your savings rate. That's what future you will thank you for. Third lesson, use credit like a tool, not a crutch. Credit cards aren't free money, but they can help you build a credit score, unlock better interest rates, and earn points if you manage it right. Number 4, learn to say no to impressing people. Trying to look rich keeps you broke. The people you're trying to impress usually aren't paying attention anyway. And finally, number 5, build skills, not just savings. Your income potential is tied to your skills. Learn high-value skills like project management, sales, or content creation, and your money will follow. Which of these lessons do you wish you knew earlier? Drop it below and hit subscribe for more quick money truths here on Know in 5.